reciting Namo Sattva, Namo Tassa 3 times. Therefore, let's we recite to Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. According to Ajahn number 2, you respectfully invite the reciting Sayadaw, Morita Sayadaw and Co-Morita Sayadaw. Therefore, may I respectfully request Most Venerable Professor Head of Department Dr. Padmanabha to graciously come to the reciting seat. And then may I respectfully request to Most Venerable Professor Head of Department Digani Kaya Venerable. Therefore, may I respectfully invite the Most Venerable Head of Departments Research and Compilation of
Acknowledging the Buddha as living Buddha, real person, prophet on Buddha. So I mean you need to combine some subtitle because many subtitle is not good. Right? Chapter 2, the third subtitle and fourth subtitle should be combined because cultivating Buddha knowledge through the eight qualities of the Buddha's voice and cultivating Buddha knowledge on the Buddha voice. These subtitles should be combined. Right? Why do you press differently? Why do you present these two subtitles differently? The person cultivating Buddha knows through the eight qualities of the Buddha's voice and cultivating Buddha knows on the Buddha voice. Why do you present like that?
At on the page number 3, so some translation you should translate Arabic. So you translate for example, Surato, that is referred to noun form. That's what is noun form. So you should translate speaker, not speak. Speak is buff. So here, Surato is referred to noun form. That's why you should translate speaker or words and meaningful words like that. You should translate. Others also. And Sammasambuddha, fully enlightenment person like that. You should translate at the noun form. Local way to also not understand. Understand is but. That's why. And local way to is referred to noun form. That's why you should translate. Understand otherwise no like that. And Bodo you translate knows the form of the truth. Not like that. You should translate the form of the truth. Like noun form, at the noun form. Okay. So that is translation. And then another point is footnote. At the footnote, okay, for all students.
Thank you. Please, Chairman Sayadaw, please summarize and critical review. We have read 3 papers in brief within 5 minutes.
That is very difficult. So I don't want to put it anything on each paper. Only choose first paper. Vinyaganda, story of social relationship in human life and human life based on the service program. Most of students, they don't know how to choose their title. After choosing the title, they don't know how to make a content, how to write. The title and the contents are much different. If you want to change your title, you are submitting according to submitting the benefits of association with or service or submitting review. Now your title is a relationship and human life based on relationship. Only message. The other one is very moderator and moderator and very teacher already comment. So I don't want to comment for this. That's all for this paper. The next one, study of the importance of Buddha group. Really, relevant Buddha based on the Upali Sutta. This is all benefits of describing Buddha group based on Upali Sutta. If you want to base on Upali Sutta, the title should be benefits of describing Buddha group. This is the main purpose of Upali Sutta. As the relevant of Dr. Pamoka explained, your data is very, very broad. Even not connected with Upali Sutta. So that's all for this. The last one, normally, and remember we have already suggest the last one. So I don't have much. But you should follow all the their suggestion, even follow and also bibliography. Mostly bibliography should not make mistake. If you are an MA second year student, that's all. Thank you very much.
Please clap here. Thank you, Benevesa. Ajana number 3, number 5, to close the ceremony of reciting Buddha's and season 22. So, Yanavini Gaya Buddhist Academy 2025 and 2026 academic year 12th seminar on Nikaya Research Symposium for students who study on Master of Art in Nikayas Part 1 and Part 2. So, this morning's session has finished. Therefore, let we recite to Buddha Sarana season 22 3 times. Buddha Sarana